yangazi ngivumbuka phi mina sanje ngoba ungijaji ungikhomperisha vula indlebe ngikhiphela akakongazi bengifile ngathi ngishawa umhlaba izinto engahambi kahle ngagqekezela e-studio kwalahleka nomsebenzi wami ngashawa amaphoyisa cishe ngashona ngifuna isibhamu 2020 wami ubuhectic RIP Mosiah angeke ngiye kakhulu indaba ezibuhlungu zangilimaza since life isiqalekiso ngikishisa ngibasa ugwayi ngiswasha mangikhonkotha ngeke izinje engathinteki ngiringa ivari nominini sani mangimuva amela le bebethi sekuphelile uNkulunkulu ayikhanda iplan nokufila njengeqhawe mangidefeat inkinga zami devil imehlasela ngimkhathaza ngomthandaza ama blessings ayangilandela ngikhathala abathakathi saxekile ngiyabangena ngifuna ukushayina njengelanga baxekile ngayithulela ngaqhubeka nganganaka focus endabeni
Run.
zami ngishaya inyuku ngivala umlomo invest emculweni wami ngicambalele phekwe khona relaxa after sibane kuhlala kuphekwa kuleya jundi dabukela abanyanyayo kusesekude la ngiyakhona
The devil's trying to test me, but I'm on the rise all the time. I'm never giving up without a fight. The devil's trying to tempt me, the devil's trying to test me, but I'm on the rise all the time. If I gotta die, I gotta die. Look, I find it funny that we all champion family, right? But things unravel as soon as you see a bit of light. When I was hungry and you